economies in the world, and Slovakia, with its strong industrial base and strategic location in Europe, presents great opportunities for deeper trade and investment ties. As a key member of the European Union and a hub for automotive, defense, and high-tech industries, Slovakia stands to benefit from India's vast consumer market, skilled workforce, and thriving startup ecosystem. The automotive sector, in particular, has emerged as a strong link between our two nations. Tata Motors subsidiary, Jaguar Land Rover, has made a significant investment in Slovakia, including a manufacturing facility in Nitra, operating since 2018. This state-of-the-art plant, producing models like the Land Rover Discovery and Defender, underscores Slovakia's growing role in global automobile manufacturing. I appreciate President Pellegrini's valuable contribution in facilitating this investment, which has further deepened our economic partnership. Beyond the automotive industry, many other Indian companies established a presence in Slovakia, many of whom are represented here today. Similarly, several Slovak firms are actively participating in India's industrial growth. These collaborations highlight the growing depth of our economic engagement. In today's world of uncertainties, India stands out as a shining example of progress due to its stable political environment and reform-oriented economic agenda, which encourages manufacturing sector and promotes ease of business. I invite Slovak companies to join our Make in India initiative. Slovakia is looking for hard-working, skilled workers and professionals from overseas to help meet its workforce requirements. I am convinced that Indian talent can be a valuable partner in the economic progress of Slovakia. Bilateral trade between India and Slovakia has been growing steadily. In 2024, trade crossed 1.2 billion euros. I believe this figure remains far below our true potential. This business forum serves as an excellent platform to explore synergies and build mutually beneficial partnerships. Today, I urge our business leaders to seize the opportunities and convert these into concrete results. The time is ripe to accelerate this growth. I am confident that the deliberations at this forum will lead to lasting partnerships. Let us work together to build a future of shared prosperity, innovation, and sustainable growth. I wish you all good luck and success in your business endeavors. Thank you. Thank you very much.